Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome aboard. My name is Michelle. Together with Callie, we're on United Express flight headed to Houston. We're scheduled to be up in the air for a quick 39 minutes. We're in great hands with our pilots, Captain Corey and First Officer Danik. On behalf of the entire team, welcome. Thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While services are passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute to review the safety information card at your seat. Please also pay attention to the following important safety demo, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. To fasten, slide the flat metal end into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose strap and lift the buckle to release. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated when the seatbelt sign is off. In the very unlikely event of a water landing, your seat bottom cushions have been designed as flotation devices. Pull up on the cushion, remove it, and take it with you to the nearest usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms through straps and hug it to your chest. This aircraft is equipped with infant life vest. In the event of a water landing, the flight attendant will hand the infant life vest to adult with an infant and provide further instructions. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Take the mask in your hand, pull the mask out of the clip, and pull down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing even as the bag doesn't inflate, and remember to always put your mask on before helping others. There are a total of 4 emergency doors on board this aircraft. Each door is equipped with emergency evacuation slide. 2 exits are in the front of the aircraft and 2 exits are in the rear of the aircraft. Exit signs located overhead identify these exits. This aircraft is also equipped with emergency escape path lighting. In the event of evacuation, these lights will illuminate. Follow the flight to the closest exit. Keep it in mind an exit may be located behind you. Smoking and using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. Federal regulations require compliance with all signs and crew member instructions. We will be taking off soon. Please bring your seat back up, close your tray table, and fasten your seatbelt. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. We'll be coming by to collect any remaining items, and we will be dimming the cabin lights so you can rest, but we do not want to wake you every time the seatbelt sign comes on. Please make sure you have it buckled. If you do need anything, just press your call button. Thank you for your attention and welcome aboard.
ladies and gentlemen, from flight deck, currently number 2 for takeoff, flight attendants, please be seated for departure.